For years, tech enthusiasts have been dreaming about a TriFold smartphone, a device that folds not once, but twice, transforming seamlessly from a phone into a tablet and even into a mini laptop-like experience. Samsung, the undisputed pioneer of foldables, is now closer than ever to turning that dream into reality. After conquering the market with the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series, Samsung has taken the next monumental step with what could be called the Galaxy Z TriFold or Galaxy G Fold. Leaks, certifications, and insider reports are now painting a clearer picture of this futuristic device, one that's already making waves across the global tech community. And now, after months of speculation, Samsung's first dual foldable has officially been discovered through a Bluetooth SIG certification, revealing multiple global model variants, sparking hope for an international and possibly European launch. Let's unfold the full story behind Samsung's most ambitious innovation yet. The foldable revolution is about to enter its next chapter as Samsung's most mysterious and futuristic creation, the Galaxy Z TriFold, finally makes its presence known in the real world. And yes, this isn't just another rumor. It's now officially been discovered through global certification databases. According to fresh reports, Samsung's long-rumored dual foldable device, internally codenamed Q7M, has appeared on the Bluetooth SIG website, confirming its existence in 6 different model variants. And this revelation has sent shockwaves through the tech community. These listings not only verify that the Galaxy Z TriFold is real, but also hint that it's more than a prototype. It's a product in active development with international ambitions. Among these 6 variants, 2 are believed to be targeted toward the European market, reigniting hopes that Samsung's next big innovation won't be limited to Asia or the United States. The model numbers SM D639N and SM D6390 are reportedly designed for Korean and Chinese markets, while SM D639U and SM D639UI are destined for the US. However, the real excitement lies in SM D639B and SM D639B/SD, which are considered international versions, potentially including European regions as well. While an official European launch hasn't been confirmed, these discoveries strongly suggest that Samsung is testing global compatibility, perhaps laying the groundwork for a broader rollout by 2026. Let's rewind a bit. On the final day of October, Samsung gave the world its first ever glimpse of this next-generation foldable at the APEC summit. Although showcased behind glass with extremely limited access, the device drew massive attention for its ambitious design, a true dual-folding display capable of transforming between a compact smartphone and a large-screen tablet in seconds. However, Samsung remained silent on specs, features, or release details, leaving fans hungry for more. Since then, leaks and insider posts have filled the void, with analysts predicting that this foldable, possibly named Galaxy Z TriFold or Galaxy G Fold, could be Samsung's biggest leap since the original Galaxy Fold. And now that it's been spotted in official certification documents, the dream is becoming a reality. While Samsung hasn't provided any launch timeline, all signs point to 2026 as a likely year of release, aligning perfectly with the company's statement during its latest quarterly earnings report, where executives tease new foldable form factors arriving that year. The reason behind a delayed launch seems clear. Samsung wants to perfect every aspect of this engineering marvel. Unlike traditional foldables that bend at a single hinge, the TriFold design involves 2 complex hinge mechanisms and 3 display segments, demanding a whole new level of durability and precision. Every fold must remain smooth, the alignment seamless, and the display flexible enough to withstand thousands of folds without creasing or distortion. Achieving that level of perfection is no small feat. Insiders suggest that Samsung is testing multiple hinge prototypes, each designed to enhance flexibility and reduce thickness when folded. When fully opened, the TriFold could offer a massive 10-inch display, turning it into a mini tablet perfect for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. The concept isn't entirely new. Samsung had been filing patents for dual folding designs as far back as 2020. But this is the first time we're seeing actual proof of its existence in certification databases. What makes this discovery even more exciting is the international angle. Historically, Samsung's most experimental foldables launched first in South Korea and China, before expanding to select Western markets. But with 2 model variants now classified as international, we might finally see a European rollout. something fans have been demanding for years. However, as with any major innovation, Samsung is taking a cautious approach. So far, an official launch has only been confirmed for the United Arab Emirates, with Taiwan and Singapore rumored to follow. Still, the inclusion of European-compatible variants gives hope that Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold could make its way to EU shelves, possibly by late 2026 or early 2027. Let's talk about what this device could actually bring to the table. Based on Samsung's existing technology and leaked design patents, the Galaxy Z TriFold could feature an ultra-thin glass, UDG 3.0 display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Gen 5 chipset, and massive 12,000 mAh battery, split between its three folding segments. The software experience will also be a game changer, with Samsung optimizing One UI 8 or 9 for triple display continuity, allowing users to run multiple apps seamlessly across each fold. Imagine checking emails on one panel, editing documents on another, and watching videos on a third, all simultaneously, without lag. Additionally, there's speculation that Samsung might introduce S Pen support and enhanced DeX mode functionality, turning the TriFold into a true hybrid device capable of replacing both a smartphone and a tablet. But this innovation isn't just about raw specs. It's about reimagining mobile versatility. Samsung's TriFold could finally bridge the gap between portability and productivity, offering users a flexible device that adapts to every need. Industry analysts believe this could spark a new era of multi-foldable devices, with competitors like Huawei, Xiaomi, and Honor quickly following suit. In fact, leaks suggest Huawei has also been working on a similar tri-folding prototype, but Samsung's global certification milestone puts it firmly ahead in the race. With each new discovery, it's becoming clear that 2026 could be a landmark year for foldable technology. And while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will continue to dominate the market next year, the Galaxy Z TriFold might just be Samsung's next big wow moment, the device that changes how we perceive smartphones altogether. Its design will likely include dual outer hinges allowing multiple folding configurations, Z-shape, G-shape, or even a compact fold mode, where it folds twice into a smaller footprint. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or working on the go, this device could replace tablets entirely. The Bluetooth SIG certification doesn't reveal specs, but it confirms Bluetooth 5.3 support, ensuring fast connectivity and efficient power usage, crucial for a device with multiple display sections. As for the name, Samsung hasn't locked it in yet, but Galaxy Z TriFold seems to be the leading candidate, though Galaxy G Fold has also appeared in internal communications. One thing's certain, this isn't a concept anymore. With 6 certified variants and global testing underway, the Galaxy Z TriFold is now a tangible product. The future of mobile innovation isn't just about folding once. It's about folding twice and expanding possibilities endlessly. So, as 2026 approaches, one question lingers in the minds of tech fans worldwide. How far can Samsung push the boundaries of smartphone design? If history is any guide, the company that brought us the first true foldable phone is about to do it again, this time in triplicate. If you ever dream of a phone that unfolds into a tablet and folds again into your pocket, then Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold might just be the future you've been waiting for. With certification now confirmed and international variants in the works, the countdown to 2026 has officially begun, and you'll catch every update right here on TechVerse, where technology meets imagination.